Welcome to Projects for All. My name is Mike, and today, another laser level. Elikliv 4-line laser level. Another one from Amazon. This one, nice case, detachable battery, touchscreen buttons. Looks pretty decent. Let's get in here and check it out. So I'm going to roll with Elikliv. Elikliv? Sounds good. Comes in a pretty nice case. This came to me exactly the way you see here. Got your owner's manual. This was supposed to be featured along with all the other ones, the 3 lines, that video. This is a 4-line, but it was coming and going to be in that video, probably with a cross line, just to show some alternatives. And this got lost in the mail, and it was my fault. Silly mistake on my part. So they sent this for free, but I paid for it because it never showed up, so I bought one off Amazon. So did I receive it for free or did I pay for it? You be the judge. It comes with 2 batteries, obviously detachable. You get a charging port right on them. These are 2400 amp hour batteries, even though it does not say on the battery itself. Super long standby is all it says here. No retention system on these batteries, but they click in pretty tight. And they're not going anywhere. You get a lot of accessories in the box. There's your charger. 3-hour charge time is what they claim per battery. Get a little remote. You get a cool looking little tripod that's adjustable. Lateral movement, 2 directions with these knobs. And a nice tilt. All metal, pretty much. Everything's metal. Even the little plate on the bottom's metal. 5/8 tripod mount. 1/4 on the top. Comes with a tripod mount adapter. Plastic scissor stand for adjusting height on a flat surface. You get a wall mount with a carriage. Adjustable carriage. Pull it in and out. Swivel. And then adjust the boom up and down. Magnets. Comes with a plate. You can screw this to a wall, mount it to something, and a little adapter. Also came with some safety glasses, which is a first also, and it came in a nicer little case than the $200 Oakleys I recently bought, so there is that. Unlock is there, and it goes through a series of beeps, turning on different lines. Here's your control panel. It has like a touch screen. You don't even really have to press. There is no button to press. I really like this design. Only one other one, I believe, had the touch buttons. They are very nice because you don't have to disturb the unit to change the setting. It's as light as I can possibly touch. Actually, it almost actuates without me touching it. Makes an audible beep clearly. You get your choice of either or both, off. It is rare that you can turn off all the lines while the laser itself is unlocked. You can see it moving around in there. All the lines are off. So you have total control over this. Long pressing the H dims the laser, and you can hear it run through all the levels of brightness. Long pressing the V will turn it back up, make it brighter, until it is actually very bright. So the middle button has a double function also. One quick press puts it in pulse mode, so you can use it outside with a receiver. Long pressing this puts you in manual mode. And now you can have any line on you want, and you can have it in manual mode. Long press it again. turns off manual mode, and you get that flashing and beeping to let you know your laser is not level. Probably 3 or 4 degrees and it turns on. That's pretty standard with these. Can't really miss that. So back again is the crappiest tripod money can buy. Oh yeah. It returns to level every time, even on this super awful tripod. Checking it with the 6-foot level, no problem at all. Every time I move it, right back to level. It is one of the brighter ones that we've tested. The remote works really nice. It has all the functions that are on the unit on the remote. So horizontal, off, 1 line, 2 line, oh, other line, 2 lines. Long pressing, manual, short press, pulse mode. You can dim it to where you almost can't see it by holding the button, same as the unit. And bright again. It's pretty bright for, it's a bright sunny day and the window's open and all the lights are on in here. So laser level is right there. That little guy right there. It pops a pretty bright line. It's on full brightness and it is a bright sunny day. We're in a shadow over here, but you can see in the shadow that this thing is pretty bright and it's pretty useful even out here. It's about 20 feet or so from the corner of the patio to the garage, and we're probably about 20 feet away from it right now. You can still see the line on the fence. You can still see the line on the garage. Not too bad. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of these budget laser levels? I think they're pretty good. For a couple days ago, I checked the price, it's 170 bucks. Prices on Amazon change all the time. So I'll put a link in the description. You can check it out there if you'd like. But let me know what you guys think, because for $170, you get a nice case, a lot of accessories, you get a unit that works pretty well. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about this one. And detachable batteries that you can buy more of, I'm sure. You guys let me know what you think. We're probably not going to do too many more laser levels, at least not for the time being. This one should have been with the other video, as I said. We might do cross lines or something like that. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this one, hit subscribe, hit like on this video. It helps out the channel more than you guys can imagine. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.